Alright. I found this crow video somebody put up saying the bird knows who God is. And I said I'm gonna do something to it to show people how stupid they are. Allah! Allah! I don't say it right because I'm not one of those birds. Allah! I guess you have to say it a certain way, huh? Allah! 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 So I'm going to shut the sound off. Jesus! 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 I'll try it. I haven't recorded it yet. I'm just practicing. What time does he do it? So his lips don't even match the Allah. Somebody freaking did it. Somebody freaking faked it. Look. Is he saying Allah? Might be. What time did he do it? Okay, I'll do it right there. Does it by 18 Son of God time? Jesus! Jesus! It doesn't even sound right, huh? Jesus! 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 I didn't even record it, just practicing. Brian's faking his first little freaking video. Jesus! 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 Let's see what happens. How come I don't hear nothing? Was the sound off? Oh, you can't hear nothing when it's recorded the other way.